Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this garden safe take root. This is a rooting hormone, and the hormone used in this is extremely similar to the hormone that occurs naturally in plants. This is for propagating, so if you have house plants, maybe like succulents, aloe, or any other house plants that you're wanting to propagate, this is absolutely perfect. It's super easy to use. A little goes a long way. This is a 2-ounce jar and it lasts forever. It is a powder form, so all you're gonna do to propagate is take a piece of your plant, so one of the stems that look healthy, you're gonna cut it off very carefully, you're gonna moisten it, and then you are going to kind of stir it around in this powder. You tap off the excess and then you just replant that little piece or that leaf or that stem, whichever piece that you chose from your plant, into potting soil. Mist it, keep it moist, and it is going to root really well. This prevents the transfer shock a whole lot more. I've had a lot of different propagating experiences where the shock of it just doesn't work. They're not going to take because the shock of the plant is just too much. It accelerates the root growth. It really is quick and makes them stay alive a lot better than without using it, I've noticed. I've been using this for quite a while now. I really love it. I do not propagate unless I am using this to actually get the rooting system in place in the new potting plant. So if you were looking for something like this, maybe you're new to propagating or you've done it for a while, I would highly recommend you look into this. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.